Sometimes these bones, they get to aching. Oh, when I just feel plain tired, and everybody wants some of me, and I'm all worn out and wired. Oh, but I don't need no doctor. Something scribbled on a little white pad, 'cause it don't come in a bottle, and all the side effects are bad. I find it walking in the woods, floating on the lake, and no one has to tell me how many I should take. And it comes in all the colors of a sunset painted sky, and it makes me high. You should try my kind of medicine. Well, it don't take long to notice. This world is full of God-shaped holes, and if you get me to preaching, brother, I'll get on the road. 'Cause there's people out there peddling all kinds of counterfeit hope. Don't get me wrong, now I'm not living, but if you ask me how I could, I watch the same old movies, it always makes me laugh, and I throw that stick 100 times, watch my dog bring me back, and I saddle up the horses, get lost for hours out on the Sunday ride. Works every time, my kind of medicine. I can count on to be there, and I find it when the quiet times, talking to